In this tutorial, I will guide you through an easy save method using an official Microsoft tool to free up your PC cache memory and give your system an instant performance boost. This method works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. To get started, right-click on the Windows Start button of your PC. Click on the Task Manager. Alternatively, you can right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. This opens the Windows Task Manager of your PC. Once the Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab at the top. In the Performance tab, click on Memory in the left sidebar. This will show you the detailed information about the RAM usage of your PC. At the downside of the window, you will see a comprehensive breakdown of your RAM usage, showing in use, available, committed, cached, and the rest of them. Take a closer look at the cache value. That's the amount of RAM being held in cache. Of course, your own number might be different, which may be 1 gig, 2 gig, or even more. Your PC will experience a significant boost the moment the memory cache is cleared. Well, keep the Task Manager open and watch how the cache memory goes down after we use the Microsoft tool that I want to show you. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type rammap and press enter. Click on the first search result. This is from the official page of Microsoft. On this page, you will see detailed information about what rammap does. Scroll down and click on the Download rammap button. This file will download. Of course, the file is very small, just about 400 to 800 kilobytes. This should download almost instantly, even on a slower network connections. The file downloads as a zipped archive or folder called rammap.zip. Once it is downloaded, you need to extract the file before you can use it. Of course, you need to go to your download folder and find the rammap file. Right-click on it and click on Extract All from the contextual menu to extract the file. Now click on Extract. This will extract the file in this zipped folder. Once extracted, open the folder and look for this particular one. This particular one is the main executable file that we need for this purpose. You simply need to double click on it to run this particular file. Click on Yes and you proceed. Click on Agree to accept and continue. The rammap window will show you a detailed breakdown of how the memory cache is being used. Position the taskbar and the rammap side by side to see the effect of what we want to do in real time. You can see from this very place now. In the rammap window, click on Empty in the top menu bar. A drop-down list of menus will appear with several options. The particular one we want is Empty Standby List. You can see, which is the cache memory we saw in the Task Manager. Click on it and watch what happens. If you look at the Task Manager, you will notice the cache memory dropped dramatically. And so with this, your PC will work at full capacity to keep running smoothly. Your computer performance should greatly increase, especially if you had several gigabytes of cache memory before. Use rammap to clear your RAM cache whenever your system feels slow, even though you are not running many programs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial on this particular channel.